Right, I've got some strings on the guitar. I've had a few little teething problems. I've put a shorter spring in the whammy bar, as the one that came with it made the handle too far out. Also, I've drilled and tapped the bridge, because when you use the whammy bar, this bridge just moved a little bit, which is no good. I've also adjusted the height of the strings up near the neck, and I've adjusted the truss rod, because the truss rod with the strings, the fretboard needed straightening out a little bit. And that's it, she's finished. I've got a little amp there plugged in, so let's just give it a twang. Lovely. The whammy bar works nice as well. I haven't played electric guitar for a while, so I'm going to have a few weeks practice before I make a video of playing this. So that's her finished. Beautiful. And to look after the guitar, I've got a nice fitting case for it. She shines well in the sun.